climate here in Middleeast, especially in GCC, is improving. You can recognize the industries, the experts, but also government-related functions feel now it's the right time to look into 3D printing, but not only looking, so really acting and investing. Yeah? And they are now much closer identified applications, whether it's in the aerospace, in the space, or in the defense industry. But not to forget also areas like spare parts in gas and oil, or also new energy components where you can reduce energy consumption, for instance with a heat exchange application, is getting really concrete. So this is, I would say, the field of application industries where this region has the focus on and where investments will start rather soon. So if I first of all give you an applause to the AM Conclave team, because you have done a fantastic show this year. I mean, it was also really good last year, but I think what was done differently and probably better is that you have a variation of experts, you know, on the, let's say, on the technical side, coming from different vendors, but also you have a lot of experts from the industry, whether it's the defense industry or others. In the conference, you have a really good chance to exchange. I think that helps us. We can really concretely discuss applications, and the format is really appreciated because there is for me or for EOS, a really great mix to exchange, to learn, and also adapt to the needs of UAE or of GCC by running this great show.